really quick, I want to tell you some of my favorite apps for social media content creation on the go. For photos, my absolute favorite editing app is ViscoCam. It's the best. There's no way around it. Next is Afterlight, and next is Over. Over is not necessarily an editing solution for photos, but it lets you add writing and cool graphics on top, and it's the best one out of all of the apps that let you add writing. After that, Self-Timer, which is a self-timer for your camera on your phone that lets you take basically selfies, but you don't have to be like holding it with your arm. So it really lets you open up to some new creativity to not have to have someone with you to get a picture. Next is Maldiv, which lets you create really beautiful collages. It's what I used for all of my paleo collages on my Instagram, if you saw any of those. And lastly is A Beautiful Mess. If you're kind of more girly and love the doodly look, that's probably going to be your favorite. They have all kinds of cute little graphics and patterns and stuff you can add to your photos. So download a few of those and start playing around and get your feet wet. I know that if you implement these tips, it's going to really help you to be successful with social media. I wish you all the best of luck. Thanks for watching. Bye.